did it. 5k. Check out all these great trees. Trees, gosh. I think it's actually nice that we've been there and we know where that is.
Yeah, but it's just nice that
people remember them.
They've done something.
Yeah.
They've done something.
They're not forgotten. It's lovely. There you go, heritage site with 140 bottle trees all the way along Heroes Avenue. 140 bottle trees. I don't think I'll count them. I think I will just believe them. Don't they look great? Oh, good coffee.
Nice.
Well deserved after our run.
Yes.
We've done our run.
Yes.
Having a coffee, it's not too cold. I really like this building over here.
Not the new one.
That new one, I think they've done that well. It's really cool. Very nice building.
I like Roma. I think it's nice.
It's a really nice spot. We like Roma. Nice place to stay. Museum in Surat. Just having a little bit of a wander. Another great stop. Oh, Oh, I think my bike's more comfortable than that. That looks a bit uncomfortable. Here's the naughty chair. Window to the balloon. And they have Murray cod, yellow bellies, silver perch and catfish. How cool is that? That's so well done. And there's another little one up here. Oh, what have we got in here? Oh, it looks like Big Yabby. Look at the Big Yabby. Where's the kangaroo gone? Where is he? It's a bird. Where's the kangaroo? There he is. If you come to Surat, come to the museum. Well worth it. Lots and lots of great pictures, stories, really good displays. Excellent place to come to. It's fabulous.